Trump may see a 1.6% rise by tomorrow, according to Traders Union. First, let's take a closer look at today's market behavior. As we speak, Trump is down 5.4% on the day and trades close to $1.398. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. CoinLore forecasts a downward move to $1.38 by tomorrow. That's 1.3% below the current level. CoinDataFlow believes Trump may approach $1.40. That's an increase of about 0.1%. Traders Union highlights a scenario where it could move up to $1.42, a rise estimated at 1.6%. A different prediction by Gov Capital expects Trump to reach $1.735, an estimated gain of 24.1%. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. All 4 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. Based on the forecasts we've just reviewed, the potential swing in price may be from a decrease of 1.3% to a gain of 24.1%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, Gov Capital takes the lead with 24.1% gain in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could generate between $1 and $241 for every $1,000 you invest. From the volatility analysis, CoinDataFlow's forecast comes out on top with a 86.3% chance of success. Using the full set of forecasts, I've worked out one unified consensus picture. According to the consensus outlook, Trump could move closer to $1.484. Okay, let's open up the details. The consensus estimate points to growth of around 6.1%. That forecast suggests your capital might also gain by 6.1%. A 1,000 allocation could potentially bring about $61 in return, which adds up to a probability of about 23.8% for the consensus forecast to hold true. Let's move on and check where analysts expect the price to head in the short 3-day window. CoinLore signals a lack of momentum in the near term. Trump may advance, CoinDataFlow also notes. Also, Traders Union highlights that Trump is on an upward path. Likewise, Gov Capital describes the path as tilting upward. The consensus highlights that Trump may gain strength in the short term. Taken together, the majority of analysts agree that Trump is leaning toward an upward path over the next 3 days. 2 days ago, 4 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. As a result, the price eventually moved to $1.411. The majority of analysts had their forecasts pointing the right way. CoinDataFlow delivered the most accurate forecast. Let's lay it out step by step. 2 forecasts stayed inside the span of the daily candle. When it comes to ROI, a few positive results appeared. The best one came from CoinCodex with 5.7%. Take a look at the complete overview. All forecasts matched against reality. For comparison, Gov Capital reached minus 5.7% ROI and $0.326 accuracy. Try to spot whose forecast turned out the most precise. And now you'll see the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns based on consensus analysis. Trump ranks first with the highest forecasted return of 6.1% for tomorrow. In this section, Trump is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A wider comparison can already be found on my website. And that's it, guys. If this video made following forecast easier, hit like before you leave. See you in the next update.